preprint servers like BioRiv or MedRiv. These preprint servers allow researchers to share findings quickly without waiting for peer review. So you write a paper and you publish this initial version onto a preprint server before or alongside you submitting this paper to a journal to get peer reviewed. And this is really helpful and beneficial for a few reasons. People often now put things on preprint servers because there is a lot of competition in the field to publish on certain topics and data, and oftentimes people can compete to publish something first. Sometimes people are not the nicest and they steal other people's ideas or get inspiration from other people's ideas and get to the data faster and publishing faster. That's a term called scooping that happens, unfortunately, in our fields, just reflective of the human condition. To combat this, preprint servers are really helpful because people can put their initial paper up, even if it's going to be updated and it's not peer reviewed and it's not its best form. By putting it on a preprint server, it's sort of staking your claim that you did this work, you have put it out there for people to know that you did it, and you are in the process of publishing and iterating on it. Preprint servers are a game changer for many reasons in terms of expediting data dissemination in at least its raw form and getting more ideas out there. It can help facilitate scientific collaboration around the world by allowing more centralized virtual communication about people's lines of research. There have definitely been some converse repercussions in terms of confusion created for the public, people who are not necessarily formally trained in understanding the complexity of research papers and the context and nuance where data fits into a field and the strength of claims or lack thereof based on one paper. Because of this, non-scientists, people who are just interested in this information, may not know the difference between things that are peer reviewed and things that are not, because it kind of looks like everything is just published, whether the preprint servers or actual journal websites that people are typically looking at. In terms of distinguishing what is peer reviewed versus what isn't, to set the stage for the rigor of peer review, preprints are kind of like sketches. Peer reviewed papers are more like the blueprints that have been audited, annotated, and signed off by a team of specialists. That is the best analogy I can think of to communicate the difference between these two. It's definitely more complicated than that because science is so complicated, but essentially that's how I distill down to interpret preprints versus peer reviewed papers, at least good ones, which we'll get into in just a second.